Imagine getting everything you need from Walmart without the upfront payment shock. And here's exactly how to make it happen with Afterpay. First, you'll need to download and set up the Afterpay app if you haven't already. Once your account is ready, open the app and look for the option to shop in store. This is where the magic happens for Walmart. Tap on the Shop in Store feature. The app will generate a unique barcode or QR code that you'll use at checkout. Think of this as your digital key to unlocking Afterpay at Walmart. When you're at the Walmart checkout counter, either online or in store, select Afterpay as your payment method. If you're shopping in store, simply present the barcode from your Afterpay app to the cashier. Afterpay automatically splits your total purchase amount into 4 equal, interest-free installments. Your first payment is due at the time of purchase, and the rest are automatically charged every 2 weeks, making it super manageable. This means you can now confidently shop for a huge variety of products at Walmart. From electronics and home goods to clothing and even groceries, Afterpay enhances your purchasing power, letting you get what you need now and pay over time. So, unlock a new level of shopping convenience and affordability at Walmart. Start using Afterpay today and enjoy your purchases without waiting.